Get the monkey. Get the monkey, babies. I'm making you tricks. And now your monkeys. I get it. Oh no! You're gonna bite the whole thing? Get the monkey. Look.
Like no monkey.
You gonna eat the monkey? You want to eat the monkey nuggy nugs and nugga nuggles? That's her monkey now. Get the monkey now, Daddy. Oh, she's gonna love the monkey now. Oh my God, she's loving the monkey. She said the monkey love her too. Oh, nice monkey. Oops, sorry. How's that? Now you can see him. He's got a face. Oh, that's your old camera. Eat the monkey. Oh, big girl. You get the monkey. Oh no, you're gonna break him. I think she broke him. She broke him.
No, I broke the monkey.
She got the monkey off.
She got the monkey off.
There's the monkey. Oh, honey, no, he can't play now. You broke him. Want me to put him back? Want Mama to put him back, or you just want to play with this? Get it. Get it. This is gonna get me, man.
She will if she's bad.
I want to get my mama. Get it. Yes. Shake your head like you shake your head. Oops. Those lay down. Right side up.
Oh shit, hell yeah. Look what's on.
What?
The king and I. She broke the monkey?
She broke the monkey. She didn't want the monkey. She wants the candy.
Broke the monkey? Yeah.
Alright. Well,
Why you break the monkey?
She broke the monkey because she was having fun. Now it's her toy. And she can sit with the toy and she can play with the toy. She's on top of the toy. Is that your toy, baby girl? Daddy took the monkey. Put the monkey back. She worked
Right
hard.
here.
Oh. What's she tripping on? There's the monkey. Oh. Alright.